Now this is the second part of the video. We are discussing the forms and its elements, and let's get started. So in this video we will discuss about a drop down list. For example, when you start filling the form or in the website, or so you have often come across to a situation. For example, when you select the country, there are lots of country and a list drop down, and it has a different name of the country. So for this we are going to use a option, select an option. I will explain you each one of them, and we are going to discuss text area and submit, and a button which displays the message. So we are going to discuss each one of them. So first comes the drop down list, and let's get started. Now as you can see in front of your screen, for the drop down list we use a tag called select, and for the options, in the options which we are going to write the name of the country. So this tag we have to use for the option for country, or for example, if you have to choose the cars, there are different names of companies of the car, Volvo, Fiat, and different types of company. So it depends upon the situation. So when we are going to writing the code, I will explain you each one of things, and you will understand it more clearly. First we are going to write select. Now options. Value. Now select name equals to, so country. Now value. Now we are going to write the names of the country. We are going to save it, and we are going to run this and see what happens. Now as you can see, we have used a select. That's a tag for the drop down list, and for the elements, for example, options we use for the list for UK, for USA, or for example, if there is a list drop down list for the cars, so we are going to write cars, and we are going to write options tag used for the names of the cars. For example, if there are cars and there are different companies of the cars, so we will use options for the writing the different names of the cars. So in this case we use country, and for the options tag we use UK, USA, and different names of the country which we want. So we could also do one more thing. Now when I type here, it also prints the country, and now we will move to the second thing. Now as you can see in front of your screen, it's a box in which we can type anything. We can give the suggestions. So it's the text area we call in HTML, and I will be showing you guys how to write this in HTML. Now this is the tag text area for writing this in HTML. and I will be showing you guys how to write this. So let's get started. Now let's just start writing text. So remember that by when you open the tag at the time of opening, you must close it. That's why if sometimes it happens that a person forgot to close the tag and your output becomes wrong. So that's why just enter at the time of the entering. So in this name we are going to type a message. Okay. And you can also adjust the number of rows and column. So I will show you guys. Let's make the rows to we want for example, let's say we want 10 rows and 25 columns. Let's save this and run this. Now as you can see, we can adjust the number of rows and columns. So now let's see. So as you can see, now save it and now let's see. So now let's go for the next thing. Now we will talk about button in HTML, and so in this video I will show you how to write a button, and it will also display a message. So let's get started. Now let's move on to the next line. Okay, so input button type equals to T1 on click equals to so no, right now we are writing your form has now what happens that we write on click alert your form has been submitted. So when you click on this button, what happens that it will display a message. So let me show you how this is working. So we will close button tag and save it, and let's see what happens. Now as you can see, it's your form has been submitted. Whatever you are going to write in this, it will display as a message. And so this is all for now, and I hope you liked this video and enjoyed it, and subscribe to this channel and stay classy. And one more thing, that if you don't understand anything, just do let me know by commenting down below, and I will read your problem and try to answer you what you are facing the problem. and stay classy, guys.